my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? I decided to flip it a little bit and go with my burgundy fro. Do we live? Do we love? I got this in the market, and when I saw the color, I said, yes, I kind of sort of love. It's giving me Whitney, with that burgundy. The necklace is by Zara, and then the top, I think, is Versace versus their younger line. I loved the color. I was like, why not? Welcome, my darlings. My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are welcome to Fumi Nation, to the home and land of love, positivity, and above all else, fabulosity. Today's episode is what? It is what not to wear in your 50s. You can wear this. You can be fun. We got so many options when you are leveling up onto the 50s arcade. But there are some things that are not good looking on anybody. But when you're in your 50s and you're fabulous and you're glamorous and you are of repute, you should not be wearing this, because you know what? You are always addressed the way that you are dressed. First up, I don't even have to look at it. You cannot have your tops and bottoms exposed at the same time. Translation: if you're going to show your décolleté, your bust line, that's okay. And I've done it with a deep V, but you can't show the legs at the same time, because that is giving streetwalker vibes. It really is. The irony of it all is that it doesn't really relate to 20, 30-year-olds. You can have that beautiful low-cut, sexy décollage, and you can wear a mini as well, and you look good. You're young. In that demographic, it looks A-okay. For a 50-plus woman, darling, you're trying too hard. You're trying way too hard. You're going to let that go. All those tube dresses, low-cut tube dresses from the 1990s era, they got to go. They got to what? They gotta go. So that is my number one.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time you tell me I look good in bed, I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me. Stuck in repeat.
Number two, my darling, too much makeup. I've said it before, and I've done 2 tutorials to speak of right now where it's just not working, even for me. Even for me, cheekbones and everything. It just does not work for what? Doesn't work for mama. And I am how old? I am 53. Very proud. Don't want to go back in age. I'm happy the way that I am. I just can't do it no more. So I'll do like a beautiful neutral eye, and I'll do like a strong lip if I want to, or I'll do, like a soft lip. And Fumi's what? You're looking cute. You're looking fresh. You can't wear too much makeup. Translation: the heavy eye, heavy unstructured, that's not even swept upwards. You have to sweep everything up, hooded eyes, sagging skin. You can't do that. What? You can't do that in your 50s. In your 50s, you want everything to be up, right up to the sky, up to the Lord, where he blesses you day and night. Sheer leggings for anybody, but very sad when you see it on a woman in her 50s. I've seen that look before. No, mama, no. It cannot be sheer. It has to be opaque. Has to be opaque. I did a look the other day where I had a deep V-ish, and I wore opaque leggings. There was a time when I would have gone without the leggings. That time has passed, and I don't mind. Give me the opaque leggings. Give me the opaque tights, and I will wear them. Okay?
Wait for the wind, wait for the night. Stand here a while, take a little time. Since you went away, it came to a halt. Silence is everywhere, and you're not.
All right, what do we have here? Shorts. You can have beautiful shorts, but you can't have those teeny weeny shorts. Not at 50. Try and cover half of your thigh or just above the knee. It still looks cute. You still look fresh. You can even wear a lovely loose, backless t-shirt. You're gonna look hot. And I'm not saying don't show the legs. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying those eeny weeny shorts that we all used to wear in our teens, in our 20s, they got to go. You need to clean out your wardrobe, my darling. Hang on to the memories. Don't hang on to the clothes. Let those clothes what? Let those clothes go. Too much accessories. Have a piece, have a centerpiece. Just as I have this necklace, you saw the earrings are small. Don't have the bracelets and then the rings and then you have the waist chain. It's too much. It's too much. And we can't see anything. We just see a lot of what? A lot of nothing. These are simple basics that if you really tune into and you start to apply it to your everyday, you will begin to see how fresh, sharp, crisp you look right away because you're taking away the distractions. And we are really focusing on what you're saying, focusing on that fabulous, beautiful smile. If you guys are figuring out in your 50s, it's important to brighten up, whiten up your teeth. I have a tutorial there as well. I have a tutorial, whiten up, brighten up your eyes. I have a tutorial there as well. Then this one I live for. I live for. You get to your 50s where you really are going for timeless pieces as opposed to what? Current trends. You're not doing trends like that. And even if you're doing trends, you might transition it into the color for that season, but you're not doing trends. When you get to your 50s, the trends are fun, where you can look at and you apply it to you if that trend is aligned to your style. If it is not your style, don't adopt it because it will do more harm to you than good. And that is not what you're about. Darlings, do we live or do we love? I just thought, let me come out here and give you a little shout out. And keep it light and keep it positive. Let me just make sure that I got on my list because I wrote it down. Oh, I have one more. I have one more. When you get to your 50s, darlings, that time has come where you have to wear your comfort shoes. Shoes that are comfortable to you. The second that they're not comfortable, you are going to start walking like a crab. And that is the look that's not fabulous in your 50s. It's the crab walk when your heels and you're not walking side by side. If there's anything that you don't want to look at that time and you cannot see yourself, I'm telling you right now, you look old, you look haggard, you look weather beaten, you look as if life has defeated you when you walk like that. If you have never been able to walk in heels, let them go. Let them go. There are so many fabulous. Do you want to do an episode for you guys? 5-10 fabulous low heel shoes. Would you like me to do that? And this is just across the board for everybody that has never really adopted to wearing high heels. I love high heels. I can still wear my 6-inch, 5-inch heels. I can do it. But that's only because I've lost weight. Prior to that, couldn't. Dare not. Carry all of this on 2 pins. Hell to the no. I can do it because I have lost weight. And even respectfully so, I get to the event, I do my thing, and I have what? My ballet slippers to transition myself into, because you're also not trying to get corns. You're not trying to have crow's feet up in there. So there you have it, my darlings. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave all of your comments, queries, and questions down below in the comment section, to like, to subscribe, and to share. All of my love, darlings. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Do we love, my darlings? Do we live? Mwah. I'll see you soon. Bye.